What's up everyone, Sherwin here and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to talk about... Wait, what are you doing? You're ruining my moment here. I'm trying to greet my viewers and you're...
I'm sharing a YouTube channel but stuck on making videos, nobody likes it.
What? Wait, I thought you're trying to help me make a video. And here... What's up with you? Are you having your period? Anyway guys, forget about him. He's just a doubtful me, a bitter version of myself. Well, you got that right. I'm better than you. No, I said bitter, not better. Like black coffee, it's bitter. Racist. What? No, I'm not. I was just... Shh. Stop trying to explain yourself. You're making it feel like you are really racist and you try to deny it. Because I'm not. Alright, let's just go on with this so we can get this over with. I'm sick and tired of your face. What? In 3, 2, 1, and go. And go. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm giving out tips and tricks on how to stabilize your video without a proper gear or a gimbal. If you guys don't know what a gimbal is, I'll just show you. This bad boy right here. Gimbals and stabilizers right now are growing pretty fast, but they're still very expensive to buy. And before I can afford one, I have to learn some tricks on how to capture stable footage. And I'm gonna show you some few tricks that I've learned and share it with you guys. So let's start with tip number 1. The use of your camera strap. I'm sure when you buy a new camera, it always comes with a strap. And I'm gonna show you 2 ways how to use a strap. So first, connect your camera to your strap, put it around your neck, hold the camera and pull it away from your body. Alright, so create a tension to your strap and you make a 3-point of contact. And this is best to pan down or up. Alright. Second way to use a strap is to hold your strap like this, grab it in the middle, and use this end wrap around your lens. Now this is used when you have a heavier lens. And now you can do the undersling shot or a low angle. So please do, right? So this is one of the first trick that I've learned in making stable video. Tip number 2. If you don't have a slider, you can use a towel with a Gorilla Pod or without the Gorilla Pod. If you don't have one, you can just use a towel itself. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you need to do is find a flat surface like a table. Lay out your towel on the table. Put your camera on top of the towel and slowly drag it side to side like a slider. And this one is also best if you could combine this technique with a Joby tripod so you can get a unique shot or different angles. Tip number 3 is making this Joby Gorilla Pod as your camera rig. I'm going to show you how that's done. Take your camera, connect it to the tripod, lock it in place. Take these 2 legs or arms straight up, just like that, and place it on your chest. You can use this other leg as a handle. And just adjust the camera to whichever you are filming at. And this is best for run and gun. And I mostly find myself using this technique when I travel, because when I'm filming I can just do this, and then when I decide to vlog I can just switch up like that. So it's easy and it's convenient for me to vlog and make a video or take a footage. And also it makes my arm less tired if I'm filming whole day or long hours, so keep that in mind. Tip number 4 is using a rolling chair, just like this one. Yeah, some wheels. Yeah. So you can take this chair outside if you have one, a gaming chair. All you have to do is find a smooth pavement or a smooth area. Have someone maneuver the chair for you. Now this is a two-man operation. One of you will be sitting on the chair with the camera while the other one pushes or pulls the chair around. And also if you apply tip 3 on this technique, you'll get more smoother shot while having this set up with you while you're on the rolling chair. Alright. Tip number 5 is the use of skateboard. Now this technique or trick is not really for everyone, only for those who has experience with skateboard. So if you have a skateboard, you can utilize this one to make a steady shot. I happen to have an electronic skateboard. As a matter of fact, I actually made a review video of it, so if you want to check him out, I'll put the link down in the description below. So if you have a skateboard, a longboard, or a board with wheels, no, a one wheel. Man, I wish I had a one wheel. Expensive. Can't afford that one right now. Anyways, this technique will work for you if you know how to ride a skateboard. If you don't know or have any experience with skateboard, please don't try this. This is not for you. It could be dangerous. And for you guys that know how to skateboard, even though if you're a pro at it, always wear a helmet, please, for your safety. So all you have to do is ride your skateboard while filming, and this technique best works when you are filming someone who's jogging or running or pace, maybe a chase scene. Then you can use this technique. Tip number 6 is turning on your IBIS, in-body stabilization on your camera. So this one is also not for everyone. It only depends on what camera you are using. So if your camera has an IBIS, you can turn it on to help you smooth out your footage. Also, some lens, they have also an IBIS. You can turn it on too. So it depends on the camera and lens that you're using. If you have both that has IBIS, you can turn them both on and it will really smooth out some footage. It's not smooth as a gimbal. There still have some jitters on it, but if you apply all the techniques that I showed you with the IBIS on, it would really smoothen out your footage. And this leads to the last and final tip that I'm gonna share with you, which is tip number 7, is to stabilize your video in post. If you have a Premiere or a DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut, I think they have a stabilizer in your software. You can use that one to fix any jitter or jiggle on your footage. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a comment down below if you have any other tips and tricks that you can share with us on how to stabilize your video without gimbal or stabilizer. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to his channel. Just do it. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so it will give you a notification every time I upload a new video. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Charay! What's up everyone? What's up everyone? Sherwin here and welcome to my... Shh! Stop trying to explain yourself. Making it feel like you are really racist. Really? Trying to explain yourself. You're making it feel like you are really racist and you try to deny it. But be safe and wear a helmet. So if you have a skateboard, a longboard, or a board with wheels. No, whatever.